Is macOS FileVault Encryption enabled on my Mac? Imagine your data is like a diary. Would you want everyone to read it? On your Mac, FileVault Encryption acts like a lock, keeping your information safe from prying eyes. But how do you know if that lock is actually in place? Let's find out. The easiest way to check if FileVault Encryption is active is through your Mac system settings or system preferences. Open the menu, go to Privacy and Security, and then look for the FileVault section. If it says that FileVault is turned on, your entire startup disk is encrypted. That means your data is protected, and only you can unlock it with your login password or recovery key. If it says FileVault is turned off, your disk isn't encrypted with this feature. If you're using an older version of macOS, like before Ventura, you'll find this info under System Preferences, then Security and Privacy, and then the FileVault tab. Here, a message will tell you whether FileVault is active or not. For those who prefer using the command line, you can open the terminal app and type in a simple command, sudo f to set up status. After entering your administrator password, the system will tell you if FileVault is enabled, disabled, or in the process of encrypting or decrypting. If your Mac runs macOS 10.13 or later, it uses the Apple file system, which makes checking encryption even easier. You can run discutl apfs list and look for lines mentioning encryption progress or decryption. These commands show if your disk is currently encrypting or decrypting data. Remember, when FileVault is turned on, your Mac encrypts everything on the startup disk. If you have an Apple Silicon or T2 security chip, your data is automatically encrypted at the hardware level. But enabling FileVault adds an extra layer by requiring your login password or recovery key to access your files. If you've set up your Mac with iCloud, you might have linked your account to unlock the disk. Or you might have received a recovery key during setup. Losing both your password and recovery key means you won't be able to access your data anymore. Checking whether FileVault encryption is active is simple and quick. It's an important security feature that helps keep your information safe, especially if your Mac is lost or stolen. Always make sure it's enabled if you want to keep your data protected.